Rakhi Sawant, who is known for creating a buzz, is all set to enter Bigg Boss 15 as a wildcard contestant. The controversy queen entered Bigg Boss as a contestant in the season 1 and as a challenger and finalist in Bigg Boss 14. Rakhi's husband, who has never made a public appearance, will be seen on the show. Rakhi Sawant has shared a promo video on Instagram in which Rakhi confirmed that she and her husband are entering Bigg Boss house. राखी कैप्शन द पोस्ट, आ रहे हैं हम, स्वागत नहीं करोगे हमारा, तैयार हो जाइए धमाकेदार एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए. In an interview with IANS, Rakhi mentioned that earlier she entered the show as a contestant and now she will be seen as a wife. Everyone will call her the best bahu after this. While looking at the game from outside, Rakhi says that it was going fine, but there was something that was lacking in the show, and she is going to add that element along with her husband. She feels her entry will spice up the game. I am going to add tadka to the show that I believe was lacking. When asked about chemistry we are going to see her with her husband on the show, she says, "It will be all fun. We are going to make everyone laugh. We both are jolly. So of course you will see a lot of enjoyment on the show that we are going to do. And also you will have that typical husband-wife fight also. We both are going to be very natural on the show." She finds all the contestants very strong and challenging. Shamita Shetty, Tejasvi Prakash, Umar Riaz, Karan Kundra, Jai Bhanushali are all very challenging, and that is why I am not planning anything. After going inside, I will hold their feet and say, "Please forgive me if I am not able to make proper connection and sabki band bajaun." Asked if she is planning to make the connections with the housemates, and she says, "I don't think so, as how much connection I will be able to make inside the house. Actually, I cannot decide anything right now." Rakhi Sawant, who entered Bigg Boss 14 as challenger, quit the show on finale night, taking a bag of rupees 14 lakh, but this time she wants to continue till the end. As she says, "Last time, on the advice of Bindu Dara Singh, I took the bag and left as he told me you would not win. But this time, I am not going to do the same, and with the support of the audience, I hope to be the winner also." The other contestants who are entering the Bigg Boss house as wildcard are Devolina Bhattacharjee, Rashmi Desai, and Abhijit Bhijkule. Bigg Boss 15 airs on Colors.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.